Pulao recipe. 2 cups basmati rice, washed and soaked for 30 minutes. 500 grams mutton, cut into pieces. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 to 3 green chilies, slit. 1 tomato, chopped. 1 potato, diced. 1/2 cup peas, fresh or frozen. 1/4 cup vegetable oil or ghee. 2 to 3 whole cloves. 2 to 3 whole cardamom pods. 1 cinnamon stick. 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Adjust to taste. Salt to taste. 4 cups water or mutton broth. Chopped cilantro leaves for garnish, optional. 1. Heat the vegetable oil or ghee in a large pot over medium heat. Add the whole spices, cloves, cardamom pods, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and cumin seeds. Sauté for a minute until fragrant. 2. Add the thinly sliced onions to the pot and sauté until they turn golden brown. 3. Add the minced garlic, grated ginger, and slit green chilies to the pot. Sauté for another minute until fragrant. 4. Add the chopped tomato to the pot and cook until it softens and breaks down. 5. Add the mutton pieces to the pot and sauté until they are lightly browned on all sides. 6. Add the diced potatoes and peas to the pot. Stir well to coat the vegetables and mutton with the spices. 7. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. Gently stir to mix the rice with the mutton and vegetables. 8. Add the coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt to taste. Mix well to evenly distribute the spices. 9. Pour in the water or mutton broth and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. 10. Once the mutton pulao is cooked, remove it from the heat and let it sit, covered, for a few minutes to allow the flavors to melt. 11. Fluff the pulao gently with a fork and transfer it to a serving dish. Garnish with chopped cilantro leaves, if desired. 12. Serve the mutton pulao hot as a main dish. Accompanied by raita or salad, enjoy the delicious and aromatic flavors of this traditional dish. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, plus don't forget to press the bell icon and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comment section.